بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Verbs are learnt by definite patterns. This is the traditional approach. The root fa, ain, lam is used to study these patterns. Patterns of verbs always have built-in pronouns. Let's see one pattern. When the first and the third letter have fatha, it indicates past tense. When the first and the third letter have jabr, it indicates past tense. It is used for the pronoun he. The meaning of the root fa, ain, lam is to do. When the pattern is added, it becomes fa'ala, he did. This is the pattern for he did. We will learn different patterns for she did, you did, they did. Let's see more examples. ختم, he completed. ذهب, he went. جعل, he made. خلق, he created. تبع, he followed. سمع, he heard. بعث, he sent. دخل, he entered. مكر, he plotted. For each pronoun, there are distinct types of patterns. Here are important facts about verb patterns. The pattern of the verb shows the tense, he does or he did. The pattern of the verb shows the gender, he or she. The pattern of the verb shows the singular or plural, he did or they did. Let's do a quiz. The green box contains the pattern that we just learned. Find the word which follows the pattern of the green box. Kafara and dakhala both match the pattern. To know the meaning of the word, we need to identify the root. The green box contains a word. Find the correct root out of 4 choices. Let's find the meaning of a few words. On the left panel, the meaning of the roots is given. دخل, he entered. غفر, he forgave. Here is the golden rule of verbs. The word is a verb. If the word has the pattern of a verb, identify the root. Apply the tense and the pronoun to the meaning of the root. Translate additional helping words, if there are any. Let's do another quiz. On the left panel, the meanings of the roots are given. Let's find the meaning of the following words. ختم, he completed. جعل, he made. دخل, he entered. نظر, he saw. Here is the list of patterns of simple verbs that are used extensively in the Holy Quran. Please note, each tense is conjugated with a pronoun. We will learn present tense and past tense, singular and plural, active and passive, with different pronouns, he, she, they, etc. Let's talk about English grammar for a minute. Some English terms will appear at QuranMadeEasy.com while discussing Quranic grammar. Here is a heads up so that you know how much English grammar is needed down the road. We will discuss present tense. I believe, he worships, we pray. Past tense, he fed, she asked. Future tense, you shall see, I will come. We will talk about singular plural. I, he, she, you are singular. We, they are plural. In English, you is used for singular and plural. That is why in this website, we will use you all for plural. We will see lots of passive verbs. Let's see some examples. If I know is an active verb, then passive is I am known. You believe, you are believed. He fed, he was fed. They see, they are seen. They wrote, they were written. We will also study some other miscellaneous verbs. We will see command, worship, say, find. We will see request, guide us, refuge us. There will be some verses with let them worship. There will be some verses with may you be blessed. There will be some verses with should, you should. Sometimes we will see some old English words. Here is one example. To beget. It means to procreate his father. Here are important facts about verb patterns. The pattern of the verb shows the tense, he does or he did. The pattern of the verb shows the gender, he or she. The pattern of the verb shows the singular or plural, he did or they did. All the patterns of verbs will be available on the left panel. All the meanings of the roots will be available on the left panel as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us.